Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to save photos on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to click on the three lines at the top right. Now scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, you're going to scroll down and look for Download Your Information. Click on Continue. Click Download or Transfer Information. Click on Specific Types of Information. Here, you're going to select Posts. Click on Next. Click on Next. Then here you'll have a bunch of options that you can adjust if you want. But all you have to do now is hit Create Files, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.